Hey guys, this lesson is about zero conditional sentences in English. What's the conditional tense? In English, the conditional tense is used to express what could have, might, or will happen if a certain action occurs or has occurred. For example, mothers often say, "You can go play outside if you eat the rest of your vegetables." What's the zero conditional tense? Zero conditional sentences are used to describe general truths. These include both personal realities and scientific facts. For instance, the sentence, "If I eat too much candy, I feel sick." We use this structure when making a zero conditional sentences. If clause, plus, main clause. If we win our game, we go out for drinks. If clause is the event that might happen, and main clause is the action that does occur. You can often switch the order of the if clause and the main clause without changing the meaning of the sentence, but make sure the subject of your sentence is clear. We go out for drinks if we win our game. In zero conditional sentences, the word if can typically be replaced by the word when without changing the meaning of the sentence. When we win our game, we go out for drinks. Another way to make a zero conditional form is unless. Unless has the meaning of if not. So when we have a sentence like, "If I don't wear my glasses, I can't see," we can say, "Unless I wear my glasses, I can't see." And we end up with the same meaning. Now, let's have more examples. If you put water in the freezer, it turns into ice. If people don't eat or drink, they die. Snakes bite if they are scared. If I am lost, I look at a map. Unless you keep ice away from the sun, it melts. When I'm driving, I don't talk on my phone. My boss complains when my coworkers are late to work. When it's cold outside, I make hot chocolate and drink it by the fireplace.